How to hide Instagram friends list. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. You can simply click on magnifying glass like option at the bottom, which will lead you to search and search the person you want to hide your friends list from. Click on three dots at the top right and then block them. After you block them, they won't be able to see your friends list. This is the only option for specific persons. Another way is go to your profile, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen on your profile, and then you'll find settings and activity pop up. In here, scroll down till you find account privacy. Click on account privacy and then turn private account on, which means white circles should be at the right side. Click on switch to private and your account will be private account and only the people you accept will be able to see your friend list. And this is how to hide Instagram friends list. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.